Welcome to the Amazon Automation Masterclass. In this masterclass, you're going to learn how to sell on Amazon using the dropship model. You will learn what you need, the tools that you need, and what you need to do to succeed. Let's move forward. What is Amazon Automation? Amazon Automation is basically dropshipping on Amazon. Your customer is going to place the order on your dropship store, which is going to be Amazon in this instance. Then you're going to go and place that order with the product from the supplier. The supplier then is going to ship that product directly to your customer. Within all of this, you never once have to place your hands on any inventory or products. The supplier takes care of it all. Your job is to just keep adding products and adding more and more products and providing these listings to your customers. Amazon is a marketplace where people shop daily. Millions and millions of purchases every single day. All you're doing is providing a listing to these customers and then getting the product directly to them. What you need. What you're going to need to sell on Amazon Automation is number one, a pro Amazon seller account. What you want to do is go to Amazon.com or sell.amazon.com and sign up for a pro seller account. Now you may see they also have individual accounts, but those individual accounts do not allow you to sell in as many categories as you can with a pro Amazon seller account. So I highly recommend getting a pro Amazon seller account. The cost is going to cost you around $39 a month. The next thing you're going to need, of course, is the AMZ Guard automation software. This software is going to monitor your products 24/7 for you and take care of the things that you can't while you're sleeping. This is needed to be successful with your Amazon automation business. The next thing you need is a laptop or computer. This cannot be done from a phone. The next thing you will need is a credit card or at least $300 or $500 to start. Now you can start with less than this, but this is the recommended area to start with. And you can also start with more than this. But this is recommended to get you going to start your Amazon automation process. Now, if you have a credit card, even better. You'll be able to use those rewards and points to your advantage. And once I start showing you how to start placing these orders, you'll be getting unlimited purchases and rewards going straight to your credit card.